Visitors to the US comparing medical insurance plans often ask, what is pre-existing disease coverage and what happens when an emergency occurs? Let's look at a typical situation. For example, you had a heart attack in the past, or you might be taking medication for diabetes or high blood pressure. In all these circumstances, coverage is available under India Network Pre-Existing Condition Coverage Plan. What makes pre-existing condition coverage so important? It's important to understand that accidents and medical emergencies may occur at any point of time. Should they occur, you need an insurance plan that can help you in those situations. The most important concern is whether a particular medical claim is paid or not. How is this process determined? Every medical insurance plan would have three main components. First, an administrator. Secondly, an insurance company, also known as underwriter. And the third, a claims processor. Most insurance companies do not offer pre-existing condition coverage because of the high costs and potential losses. India Network was the first organization to offer pre-existing coverage with its large customer base and lower overhead. It continues to lead the industry with the highest coverage possible for such conditions as diabetes, blood pressure, or cardiac problems. The new feature of India Network Plan is to cover pre-existing conditions in the same way like any other new sickness. Pre-existing condition coverage is offered with special deductible and policy maximum. What would be excluded? Do the doctor visits and lab tests get covered for pre-existing related sicknesses? Yes, any sick visits and labs are covered for pre-existing problems, except that they are subject to a special deductible and a specified policy maximum. Same benefit schedule would be followed. There are no specific exclusions for pre-existing conditions once a policyholder takes cover for pre-existing conditions. India Network plans differ from other companies offering pre-existing coverage in several key points. The coverage for pre-existing condition is not limited to acute onset or reoccurrence of pre-existing condition-related emergencies. Many companies will want you to first have a heart attack before covering a second-time heart attack. That would be a reoccurrence. Other differences that could result in a claim not being paid include a look-back time period or the insured use of medications for high blood pressure, diabetes, or other current medications. Almost all companies in the world today do not offer any pre-existing condition coverage for those who are 60 or above 60, while India Network Plan is open to all age groups from the age of 2 to 99. If pre-existing condition coverage is not selected and the insured gets sick with a pre-existing condition, there will be no coverage. In a second situation, the insured may feel they are in good shape, yet as an example, a heart attack may occur suddenly. There will be no coverage, and visitor's son or daughter would be stuck with a big medical bill. People above the age of 50 are highly recommended to Premier Coverage or Network Benefit Comprehensive Plan with pre-existing condition cover. What occurs when pre-existing coverage is not selected? All claims related to pre-existing conditions are excluded from cover, even if the visitor is not aware of these problems, but later medical records determine to be pre-existing. When pre-existing coverage is selected, India Network will not only provide medical evacuation and repatriation benefits, but will also cover numerous services shown below to help stabilize the patient, from the ambulance and emergency room to surgery and hospitalization, as well as the office visits, laboratory expenses, etc., as like any other new problem. India Network wants to simplify the process for selecting right medical insurance plan. Use Easy Select from the homepage of India Network Health Insurance website. Look for the Instant Quote button. Choose the age group with pre-existing conditions. Then take time to read through the choices, especially look at the best deal, most popular, and the best tip. Compare premiums, deductibles, and coverage to maximize your benefits. Thank you for taking time to better understand pre-existing condition coverage when selecting visitor health insurance. To learn more, please visit www.indianetworkhealthinsurance.com or call 407-243-8760 to speak with our expert. Thank you for taking time